Hey crafters, I'm Patricia and welcome back to RaniCrafts. Today, we're making a super cute and easy desk pencil holder using wooden popsicle sticks. It's the perfect DIY to organize your space and add a handmade touch to your desk. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your crafty friends, and hit the bell so you don't miss any fun ideas. And tell me in the comments, if your pencil holder had a secret compartment, what would you hide inside? And that's it! Your new pencil holder is ready to use. Thanks so much for watching and crafting with me. Stay creative, keep having fun, and I'll see you in the next RaniCrafts video. Don't forget to comment, share, and keep spreading those crafty vibes.